Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale affiliate marketing with Kajabi step by step clearly. Start by understanding the fundamentals of affiliate marketing. Research your niche to identify high demand products or services. Create a Kajabi account if you haven't already. Navigate to the dashboard and familiarize yourself with its features. Select the Products tab to create your first affiliate product. Add a new product by clicking on New Product. Choose a format for your product, such as an online course or membership. Input relevant titles and descriptions that resonate with your target audience. Set your pricing strategy, whether it be one-time, subscription, or payment plan options. Once your product is created, locate the Affiliate tab in the Kajabi dashboard. Enable your affiliate program by clicking on the Affiliates option. Fill in the necessary details, including commission rates and program description. Design promotional materials for your affiliates, like banners or email templates. Set clear guidelines on how affiliates can promote your products. Create an affiliate application form for potential partners to fill out. Review each application to ensure alignment with your brand values. Send a welcome email to approved affiliates outlining expectations and resources. Encourage regular communication with your affiliates to keep them motivated. Monitor your affiliates' performance through Kajabi's analytics tools. Adjust commission rates or promotional strategies based on performance data. Consider hosting webinars or training sessions to educate your affiliates. Utilize social media to drive traffic to your affiliate products. Continually optimize your marketing strategy by A/B testing different approaches. Gather feedback from affiliates to improve your program over time. Stay updated with industry trends and adjust your strategy accordingly. By following these steps, you can effectively scale your affiliate marketing business with Kajabi. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.